Hey guys, welcome back to Awesome Evan Games. Today we are playing Haunted Halls, the Green Hill Sanitarium Collector's Edition. So yeah, we're back here and we had saved the patients 1 and 2 from their fears, the fear of water and the fear of insects and all that kind of stuff. And also here's a light. This harsh and unnatural light is adding to my own phenomena. It got to go. Yeah, but from these 2 patients we got a dolphin puzzle and a spider puzzle. Okay, I guess that could be useful. Okay, so let's go down. And there was a hidden object scene that I kind of skipped on the last chapter, so here's some sparkles, which means hidden objects time. Let's see. A star. A die. And our item is the tea. Alrighty, so let's go down. Alright, so yeah, here's a hidden object scene, some sparkles, so that means hidden objects time. And our item is the weight. Alrighty. Oh! Tentacle! Yeah, that kind of scared me. Spooky tentacle over here. Ugh. Okay, well, let's take a look at Tim's card and use the card keys here. Now I'm sure Tim's investigation had to do with the experiments I performed here. Yeah, here's a medical chart number 4. Alright, so let's go forward and back to the right. And you might remember the little snake right here. Ooh. Well, let's take a look back here and use the key here. Alright, let's go inside. It snows from the trapdoor to the ceiling. This sanitarium is a nut job. What? Hold on. It's not snowing outside and I do not see a hole here. Okay. That's weird. I wonder where this came from. Here's this thing, a bomb. A domino. What is that thing? Oh, there's a manhole. With a handle of sorts, I could pull up this manhole. Okay, that seems a little bit weird. Why is there two spots in here? This jukebox could get really obnoxious if it were turned on loud enough. Yeah, seems we need a coin here. Fire extinguisher. What's this? The main power fuse. The main power box minus a fuse. Oh, so we need a fuse here. And what's this? Looks like there is a switch missing from here. Oh, we have a switch, so let's use that there. No use flipping the switch if the main power box isn't lit up. Yeah, it's missing a fuse. Why is there a handprint? This transformer unit is acting very strange. Well, it might be acting very strange because there's a hidden object scene in it. And our item is the fuse. Alright, so let's look over here and use the fuse here. And let's go over here and flip on the switch. Let's hope that shields some light in the dark. Oh yeah, there's a dark room in the last chapter and we should go there. After we complete the set hidden object scene. And our item is the rubber gloves. Alright, so let's go down. And back to that dark place. Alright, so now we can see, and it's some room. This. One more dynamo might fire things up. Okay. Let's hope this device started right up. Okay, so a smart looking battery charger. Ooh, that would be good to know. And, oh, my mother told me never to touch electrical turns with bare hands. Yeah, let's use the rubber gloves that we got. And we get some wires. That would be handy. So let's go down and over here. And back where Tim is. And look, there's some sparkles, which means another hidden object scene. Alright, so our item is the mallet. Alright, so let's go down, 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 and use the mallet up on that light. Alrighty, maybe I can harness the wires to short-circuit the T-boards. Ooh, so let's use the wires here. A little shock goes a long way. It retreated, and fast. Oh, that means we can also take the rug. A red carpet could really come in handy. Yeah. So yeah, we got a rug, and let's go upstairs. A pond on the second floor? What else does this amazing building have in store for me? Wow. What the heck? How's this possible? Oh look, there's a little kid and there's a medical chart. I can't reach it from over here. Okay, well let's take a look over here and grab this nail. Yes, we just grabbed a snail, but it will be useful later. But a danger lurks in the deep. I just need to lure it to the surface. Okay, let's look over here and look. I never stretched my arm far enough to reach it. Oh, so it's like a little tray in operation room. There's like a room beyond this. Okay, and that is one genetically modified toad. It must be hungry all the time. Well, it sees the fly here. Whoa! What the heck? Sorry, Toad. That's just the way the circle of light spins. But wow, that is a humongous octopus. There must be a way to sink this problem into oblivion. Well, let's use the weight here. Now, who's depressed, huh? Ha ha! Take that, octopus. Also, the kid just went away, but, to get over the pond, I should make a grand entrance. Yeah, let's use the rod here. this red carpet event, Green Hills Sanitarium horror show. Oh, that's funny. Yeah, the red carpet. But that means we can take medical chart number 5. Alright, and let's go to the other side of the pond. What is going on here? What the heck? Like a magician's trick, the camel is divided. A prickly snack may ease his pain. What? It seems that this mailbox is locked. Okay, but a prickly snack. Oh! We have a cactus, so let's use that there. Oh look! His tail just opened up the mailbox, so let's take the envelope that's inside. Yeah, sealed envelope, and let's take a look at this. The door lacks the patient's medical chart. I wonder where it has gone. Well, that's number 6. We only have, let's see, what do we have? Number 7, 3, 4, and 5. So, however, look, there's doors 3, 4, and 5. So, let's use number 3 on here. Number 4 over here, and number 5 over here. Alright, so we got a fancy door, we got a curtain, and we got a door with some stamps. So let's go to door number 3 first. What torture! Her child room has become her personal prison. Whoa. Aww. The poor girl cries as her happy childhood is now remembered as a living... Yeah, this is a crazy place. Wow. The doll in the red dress looks like she should be holding something. Okay. Oh wow. There's nothing scarier than childhood friends turning into enemies. Yeah, and oh, this is a scary train, so let's open up this. Train still chugged along the track with a dead battery. Oh, it's dead, so let's take the battery. So yeah, but it won't go without a charged battery. Let's take a look at this track in the box and push it back down. And take whatever this is. Alright, it's a lever. And oh look! There! I restored this toy to a more pleasant form. I should do the same for the other toys in this room. Ah, so we need to fix some of the toys in order to make this room back to the way it was. But let's take a look over here, and the lever to switch the tracks is missing. Well, here's the lever. Great, now the train can ride the rails to the right stop. Only that its battery's dead. So let's go down and go through room number 4 through these red curtains. What's going on here? She suffers from disassociation. Her reflection no longer matches her heart. Aww, that's kind of actually sad. All the mirrors here are curved, grossly distorting one's image. Okay. Well, what's this? Here's a medallion. This locket doesn't have any pictures inside. Okay, well, let's take a look at this, and look! The same roses grow up on the street. Oh, what's this? Rose oil? There were roses which didn't smell outside towards the back of the main building. Oh yeah, I remember. shelves. There's some weird screens. What's this? If only I could hang a normal mirror here. Okay, well look, there's some green sparkles, which means puzzle. Alright, so it's one of these pipe things. It worked! The force fields are disabled. Yay! Unfortunately, I cannot karate chop a mirror. Yeah. Well, let's smash them with the mallet. Ha! There we go. But we need to... It would be good to have one normal mirror in the room or something that can replace it. Okay, well let's go down and through the door with the stamps, otherwise as known as room number 5. What's also going on here? There's 1,000 stamps around. The stamps collector's greatest fear has materialized. Missing stamps. Dun dun dun! Aww, poor guy. Children's stamps spell this book, but one is missing. Oh. And a stamp is missing from this collection of naval stamps. And seems I can place a blank stamp here and then add an image. Well, it looks like butterflies. So yeah, we need a children's stamp, a navy stamp, and either a blank image and a butterfly, a picture of a butterfly or something. But let's take this spray tan. Actually, it's polished. Okay, and look, there's some orange sparkles, which means hidden objects time. Alright, and our item is the brass lobster. Okay, and here's also more green sparkles over here, which means a puzzle. Alrighty, a slider puzzle. And we get a ship stamp for that, so let's return that there. This stamp is from this album. Okay, that's a good thing. And ooh, a pages with a set of paints. He must like to brighten things. Yeah. Well, let's go down and down. And keep going down. To here, and let's go over here and use the stamp here, the envelope here. Dead child stamp that was on the envelope. And let's go, keep going down until we go to until you are to here and use the rose oil here. Ooh, a butterfly. How pretty. Everyone knows not to touch a butterfly with their hands. Yeah, of course. So let's use the net here to get a butterfly. So let's go down back to the graveyard and go to here and use the lobster here. That lobster sure did the trick. I find myself doing and saying the strangest things since I arrived here. Yeah. Well, let's go inside. Alright, and let's take this magnet. And, ooh, some green sparkles. And it's obvious there is one piece missing here. Okay, well, let's look over here and Jane Lane. Rest in peace, 1939 to 2004. This nameplate has lost its adornment. Well, let's use the medallion here. It looks as though these flowers have been resting here for a very long time. Yeah, let's take the tried flowers. And look, there's more green sparkles, which means a puzzle. It doesn't look like her mother was ugly at all. What a mean thing to say. Your mother was also ugly. Wow, that's kind of mean. But, so we're, making up some pictures, so yeah. Alright, so we got a full medallion, and let's go down, down, down. Yeah, over here, and forward, and to the room. No, this one, and back here, and use the dead battery here. That was fast. The battery is already charged. Wow. Okay, well, let's take the charged battery. Alright, so let's go down and upstairs. And look over here and use the magnet to dead tray. So let's go forward and through the childhood room again. And let's take a look over here and use the charge battery here. And let's see the train move. This creature turned into the paradigm because of the locomotive smoke. Cool. Wow. So let's take a look over here and take this out of the way. And take the turret. And let's go down and back through here. And let's look over here and use the tri flowers here. Get some bright flowers. And here's some sparkles, which means a hidden object scene. And our item is the blank stamp. And let's go and drew the childhood room and give the carrot to the rabbit. With one carrot, he's the spitting image of a fluffy bunny again. Yay! And let's give the bright flowers to the doll. Yay! Everything's normal! Yay! Woo! And now her fear is, gone. Finally, I'm free! I was afraid I would be plagued by false and terrifying childhood memories forever. Jim didn't want you to come and see this place, but I'm so glad he did. He was trying to save the others when he was captured. Watch your back, lady, or you'll suffer the same fate as he did. Thanks for the information. And I released her from her fears. Oh, and also, she changed her dress from red to blue, so let's take her red dress. I think I know someone who might like this dress. Let's go down through the curtains and place the tray here, but it is so dirty that nothing reflects it. Well, let's use the polish here. And now it reflects no worse than a mirror. But yeah, so let's give her the medallion. The heirloom medallion will convince her that she's beautiful and loved. Perhaps I should find her a nice dress too. Well, let's give her the dress. She can finally see herself as she really is. Beautiful. Look at me. I really beautiful. And Mother was beautiful. How could I believe I was the monster these magic mirrors made me out to be? This is the best day of my life. Thanks to you. I am no longer afraid to face the world as myself. Don't let him get one of those killer helmets on you. I was trying to help a little boy when I got taken. Consider that as a warning. Why, thank you. So yeah, we saved her from her fears as well. So let's go down and go through this room and take a look at the child's book and place the stamp here. This stamp is from this album. And look over here and use the blank stamp over here. And a book of butterfly stamps and one blank one. Of course, let's use the butterfly here. Yay! All your stamps are here. My stamps! My precious stamps. How I missed them. I'm finally able to sleep again. Once Dr. Blackmore imitated my fears, I was so enslaved to them. He didn't have to lock us up. Our fears did it for him. Thank you for releasing me. Well, you're welcome. And yeah, so we released him from his fears. And I'm afraid this is a long video, so we're going to stop here. Like the video if you liked it, even if it's too long, then it should be. Oops. And subscribe to the channel if you hadn't, and I hope this YouTube take this video. If not, then I'll just have to remake this video somehow. And Yeah, and so thanks for watching Haunted Halls Green Hill Sanitarium Collector's Edition, and this is Osmond Dames. Bye!